about to fly, nigga can't even see me on way out of here, I'm too far in the sky. Heard me, it's ash ready to dump my ashes. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up.
You too! What is up with y'all, man? It's your boy Cole coming back at y'all with another video. Now look, today, it's a beautiful day outside. You know what I'm saying? The birds is chirping. The sun is out. You know what I'm saying? It's nice and easy, breezy, and beautiful. But that's not why y'all here. Today, we putting the rear diffuser on. You know what I'm saying? I got me a rear diffuser, man, off eBay. I got that jump for the low. I'm not gonna cap. So I had to get it. I had to get it. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and show y'all what it looked like. Do a little quick little unboxing. I already didn't open the box, but I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. It came in that big ass box right here. But let me take that bit out right quick. RT style diffuser, man. That RT style. And I'm finna get my 5-inch tilt. I'm finna get these put on this so the way it can fill the gap. But y'all see, man, pretty solid. Nice little pickup. But yeah, man, we finna go ahead and get this motherfucker put on, no cap. Anyways, y'all, so had made a quick little pit stop. I thought about it, I was like, I slick need to get some rivets just in case like I break the ones trying to take it off. So I just left from Advanced Auto. They only had 4. So I'm about to slide to like O'Reilly or something and see if they got the other 2. Cause I really only need 2 more so that way I can put the bumper on. But once I do that, go back to the crib and then we gonna jump into the install for real. Cause I'm excited, man. I get to take that nasty behind stock diffuser off, bro, with them silver tips, bro. Like, I hate that diffuser, bro. I hate it so much, but my baby about to go ahead and get an upgrade. We about to get it right. But yeah, man, I'm gonna check back with y'all once we get back to the crib. All right, y'all, so boom, we done made it back to the house, you know what I'm saying? Had to go cop a couple packs of these, the rivets, cause once I start breaking the jumps off, I'm not finna try to keep them. So I just went, got me 6 on, and yeah, man, we finna go ahead and hop into this install. It's super easy, bro. Like, as long as you got the right tools, got you some needle nose, and some of these right here, chop that thing off, you straight. But yeah, man, no talking. I'm gonna go ahead and take that ugly ass shit off, and I'm about to put my new shit on. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and hop into this bit. All right, y'all, so boom, then popped off all of these. Once you pop all of these off, then you'll be able to just go ahead and just pull that bit. Hold on, let me get right. There we go. You can just pull that bit off. Oh shit, did I forget one? I mean, yeah, I think I forgot one, but yeah, once I get that off, next we gotta take the fake exhaust tips off. So boom, all them right there, that one, this one. Once we take all them off, then you know what I'm saying, we really be in the game. But yeah, it's gonna be hard to do with one hand, so I'm gonna check back in with y'all once I got the tips off and finish pulling that one off too. All right, y'all, so boom, I just got the first one off. But basically, I just took all the rivets, all them out, that one, all these, pop them joints off. This is gonna slide right out. So now I'm finna go ahead and slide to the other side and show you how to do that one too.
afraid to get my hands dirty. Hurt you better deal with it. You cross me and I'm still hurting. I done ran up plenty paper profit, but I'm still working. Go up on the phone, get to that chicken, come to cop a turkey. Had to tell my pump slow it down, he popping too much perky. Pour forward mud inside my cup, got my family murky. Bitch, I'm getting hella funds, I never stress, I'm never worried. Very cautious who I trust, the ones I did, they tried to hurt me. I load up this chocolate with a 30, and I go berserk. Calculating every move I did, you bet that shit on purpose. Bro, to do that with, we had it tracked, and big got swerved. I tend to stay high up all these drugs, but I be nervous. I been on my 10 times 10, that's 100 plate. Second for a rainy day, you pussy, take that gun away. Track to move it, WG, this shit here Gucci going great. Never been tight, I had my hand, I'm going to turn my face. My niggas on ding time, they turn your dreads into a fade. Turned your back when I was down, but now I'm up, ho, stay away. But you know I'm getting back, go tip for tat, watch how you play. Fuck around up a stick on him and make him do the Harlem Shake. Fuck that shit, electric shuffle, rain it up, got plenty muscle. You niggas ain't moving how I'm moving, gotta up the hustle. Got too many hoes I shuffle, get lit, you can have a couple. But your mama told you don't hang out with me, I'm too much trouble. I don't even like fucking with these niggas, stay up in my bubble. You not on this team, you can't hear what we chat about in the huddle. Niggas say he ain't fuck with my music, fuck this baby mother. Bitch, Lil Rock gon' take it down, ride or die about my brothers. Red nigga, I wasn't afraid to get my hands dirty. Hurt you better deal with it, you cross me and I'm still earning. I done ran up plenty paper, profit good, I'm still working. Go up on the phone, get to the chicken, come and cop a turkey.
Weeks later.
YouTube, what's up with y'all, man? Today we got a very special video. We finally getting them 5-inch tips put on. Y'all already know, if y'all watched the last video, y'all seen what happened. They letting that thing down. These, I ain't gonna count y'all, these tips right here, these is just temporary until I get them Carven tips put on. It's just, since I just got that diffuser, I had to get some tips to fill that. But these, I feel like these still gonna be solid though. But we gonna see though. We gonna see when he crank it up. Oh fuck no. My shit sound the same. Oh God, my shit sound the same. Ain't no way. With me getting the exhaust tips I got now currently, and how that went. But yeah, I just got to, just some regular tips on right now.
Trash.
But it's probably about like 8, almost 9 o'clock. Finna head down to the shop. I got the tips in the house, but yeah, I'll show y'all those once I get in the car. But yeah, man, today finally getting the tips put on. My baby about to have that growl, that purr, that you know what I'm saying? She about to be way more aggressive sounding. But yeah, man, let me give y'all a quick little 360. I think since the last time y'all seen the car, I tinted the tail lights, and yeah, I think that's the only thing I've done since the last time y'all seen the car. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what she looking like real quick, and then I'm gonna catch y'all once we get to the shop. Had to give y'all a little cold start, man, to start the day off. That's before them tips, nah. That before them tips. Wait till the tips get put on. Wait till the tips get put on, man. But yeah. Yes, sir. It's about that time. We about to get the real deals put on. We about to get them right there to go. We about to get them Carvens put on. I ain't gonna count. My bit look good from the back end. Yes, sir. other ones, but them Carven tips big. Them joints big as. Yes, sir. Take that shit out. Take it out. Straight piping that bit, man. I know my jump about to be loud. It has to. Mid muffler delete and the Carven tips. If my car is anything other than loud, I'm taking it back to the dealership. I'm not gonna count. I'm not gonna count. The moment of truth, man. The moment of truth. They say third time's a charm, so we gonna see. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Boy, you love to fucking see it. Yeah, that's it right there. That's it right there. All right, y'all. We in the car. Bro, listen to my car, fool. Listen to my car. I'm barely tapping the gas. I'm doing 39 miles an hour, fool. Nigga, I got a V8. This is a V8, bro. I don't care what nobody say, bro. This is not no regular V6, bro. My shit has officially upgraded. Nigga, I got a V8 out this bitch. No, I gotta crack the windows. I gotta crack the window. Well, hold on. Wait till I get on the highway for y'all. Woo! Boy, they done messed up. Ooh, they done messed up. Oh my goodness, they done messed up. I gotta, ooh. Oh my goodness. What's good, y'all? So it's been about 2 days. It's been about 2 days since I got the mid muffler delete and the tips put on. You know, I figured I'd just give y'all a little nightly POV, man, just so y'all could hear what she sound like. Y'all already could tell the difference, like, bro, she sound good, like, and we just chilling right now, just cruising. But I'm for sure about to hit that bed. And my jump be popping. It be popping. Like, come on, bro. 10 out of 10 for sure. 10 out of 10. But yeah, man, this right here, this is gonna be it for the video. If y'all like it, you know what I'm saying, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.